Alright guys, I brought the old Karma out here for a quick little flight. I wanted to test out that, oh yeah, okay. That don't look that high. I wanted to test out the orbit and things, but, you know, of course all this crazy crap started going wrong. I got an SD card error on the damn hat cam, so that's down the tubes. Having any video for that. At least hopefully the video took for the Karma. But what I was saying on the hat cam until the SD card took a crapola was that when I was going through the orbit mode, I lost the video feed. Now it still kept doing it, and I actually went and did another thing on there, a cable cam, and it didn't affect the flight at all. You know, it still did its thing. It just wouldn't show on the screen. The screen was frozen at some point of the orbit mode. The screen just froze, and then it just, you know, you could still do whatever you needed to do, but you just had to watch the quadcopter because it wouldn't show on the display that what was going on. So I'll have to check into that. Maybe there's some kind of glitch. I'll have to look in the forums or something. All right.